I'm gonna be demonstrating how to do a fade with no hooks using the Los Cuts method. Looking at my client's head shape, I can see his occipital bones right here, right? So we wanna contour the guideline and dip it so we don't expose this part of his head. And we wanna keep most of the darkness towards the top of the ridge right here to follow along with that guideline. My client's size on top is probably like a number 3. So this is gonna be a number 3 mid fade with no hooks. First, with my trimmer, set our first guideline right here from the temple. So usually you'd see somebody go in straight line like this. We're gonna dip it. Let's go ahead and remove the bulk now. Now looking at our notes, usually if he had bulk right here, we'd go with the 3 and then with the 4 on top. But since our client already has a short buzz cut, you know, I'll double check, you guys can see. The highest this goes is probably to a number 3. Instead now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna skip some steps and I'm gonna go in with the half guard closed. We're gonna go about a finger's width. Now we're gonna go up with the 1.5 guard, a finger's width. So in the video we watched, he didn't use a 2 guard. So we're also not gonna try to use the 2 guard. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and go a tiny bit on top of this line right here and start closing it little by little. On the 1.5. Close it a little bit. Any inconsistencies, we're gonna just follow through with the thinning shears or shears over comb. Close it again. Lever's all the way open right now. And I'm just gently feathering towards the top. I wanna blend this into the 3. He uses thinning shears. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use scissors over comb. I feel more comfortable with my shears rather than my thinning shears. We're gonna blend everything in between the 3 and the 1.5 guard lever open. It's really important to use this. So the way you use this, my index finger and my thumb is at the bottom, and I'm using about like 3 little holes, right? And you guys don't wanna be doing this. You guys just wanna move one blade and just move your thumb. Now using my thinning shears, just getting really baby hairs. I'm not trying to get in so deep. So we can always go back and detail our work, guys. We know that this is the half guard closed. We're gonna go in again with the half guard lever open. We're gonna go about, I'd like to say half a finger above. And then we're gonna slowly close it and work our way back into that initial line. Lever open. Gentle strokes, letting the machine do all the work. Now on top of that half guard lever open, instead of using the 1 guard, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did on top. We're gonna start kind of skipping steps in a way to preserve darkness. This is point cutting technique as well. So sometimes your machine won't get in those little spots. We can use this to create like little holes within the hair. Next, we're gonna grab our shaver. We're gonna leave about a centimeter at the top of that stubble. Stubble is those little grains of hair. After we go in with the trimmer, usually it's not gonna bald it out and it's gonna leave some stubble. So we wanna leave some of that, and everything at the bottom is gonna be shaved. With our trimmer now, we're gonna attack that centimeter line, blending basically the skin to the stubble. That's why we're going up in this direction. The trimmer is a lot sharper. Rather than going up with the trimmer, we're flipping it upside down and using this part of the blade. Now we're gonna blend from this to this, going from the closed to the open lever position. So my lever is gonna be closed now. Gonna go midway. Gonna open it 3/4 now. And we're flicking up until that half guard closed. I'm gonna start closing it little by little now, working my way back down. Quarters open now. So we're gonna get rid of kind of just cleaning up the space of our shaver. On top of that, I'd like to say we're kind of like tickling his skin to an extent, where we're not applying so much pressure and we're just letting the machine do all the work. There's no pressure. A lot of the times we think that we have to go in hard with the force that we apply, but just let your machine do all the work. Followed by lever open now. So we go in with the straight razor, trimmer to open lever right here. Make sure you guys go against the grain, you pay attention to hair growth. And you can slightly close it little by little. Next with the half guard, applying the same principle. Lever open and then we work our way lower. Just depending on what you guys see. Close it a little bit. The thickness of this is gonna protect you from honestly not hitting this bottom line. It doesn't do anything. I can't touch that. So what the purpose of the thickness of the comb is to go into that 3 guard, into the 1.5 guard region. And I like starting here just because it's more comfortable to start where there's more space. And I'm just gonna keep working this area. There you guys have it. This is a number 3 mid fade with no hooks using the Los Cuts method. If you guys like the content, let me know down below in the comment section. I want some feedback for these next couple of videos that I'm gonna be making. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for more content. Peace.